Next thing says Magic Matte Oil. That's kind of confusing. How can an oil be matte? But let's see. Oh. Oh. So in today's video, we have the AIA Beauty Bundle. I was going to say Bumble. For the month of February 2022. This is a monthly subscription. It used to be bi-monthly, but now it is a monthly subscription. It is $35 a month with guaranteed to get at least $100 worth of value. And every month they collab with a different influencer. And this month is Jason Wu. So if you want to see what I got inside, hear my thoughts and opinions, and is it worth the $35? Then keep on watching. All right, so I had this for about a week or so, but you guys know I got a lot of things this month. I did a lot of mystery boxes. I got my Beautylish Lucky Bag. I did the Jeffree Star mystery boxes. I did the Lunar Beauty mystery boxes. So I wanted to get them up first. And now we have the AIA. I love this subscription. I liked it when it was bi-monthly because it is $35 a month, but I do enjoy this box. I do have a discount code. It is JUSTAN, and it saves you 10% off your subscription if you want to try this puppy out. I don't make anything out of it. It's just for you guys. And I never heard of Jason Wu Beauty until, you know, this box. So I like the fact that they collab with different influencers. I mean, they did MAC. They did so many brands or influencers that I actually, that's why I really like this box, you know? Okay, I don't even know, did I show you what it looked like? Because I'm very excited.
Did you forget to take your Xanax this morning?
So when you open her up, it says, be strong, be beautiful, be you. AIA Awards.com. Says Jason Wu Beauty. I hope I'm pronouncing his name right. Forgive me if I'm not. Then on the back tells you everything that's in the box and gives you prices. And here's a little sneak peek. Not too much, you know, I like to tease a little bit. I had to pull a fast one on you because then you know everything that was in here. So this is a pretty good, like I said, I really don't know who, you know what, let me look him up and see. He's an artist and fashion designer based in New York City, born in Taiwan and raised in Vancouver. So he's raised in Canada. Let's see. He started his brand in 2007. I'll leave a picture of him right over here. But, all right, so that's amazing. Okay, so the first thing is, it says the bush. Oh my God, and get your mind out of the gutter. All I read was the bush. Okay, what is this puppy? So this is $14. I apologize if you're new to my channel. It says the bush is a vegan formula brow soap. Okay, to tame, I don't have my glasses on, to tame unruly bushy brows. Okay, now I don't do the bushy brow thing, like the soap brows, what people do. I think it's pretty. It's just, I don't do it. I don't have a lot of hair to do that. But even if I did, it's just not my style. But, you know, probably because I'm too old school. You know what I'm saying? However, I will give this a go and try it. Okay, so that's what it looks like. The packaging is really, really nice. Let's see. So it has a nice mirror here. It has the protector on. And that's what it looks like. I've never used this before, so I don't... Ooh, definitely feels like wax. It's going to show you. You wouldn't see anything. So I guess what you would do... Let me see if I have my... You would take like your little spoolie and you would go like this, you know, and then use that to make it stay, I guess. Like I said, I've never tried it, but I'll play around with this. I mean, who knows? I might like it. I don't know. All right, so that's pretty cool. This is really good. Okay, the next thing says Magic Matte Oil. That's kind of confusing. How can an oil be matte? But let's see. Okay, so this is $16. So that's good. His prices are very affordable, you know? This is, it says oily to matte instantly, like it's magic. Yes, oil to matte. I guess people are like, you know. Vegan formula can be worn alone or as a makeup primer. Okay. Let me get my glasses on. I want to read what it says how to use. I guess it's like either a primer or moisturizer or something, right? Let's see. Let's see. What you be? It says dab on just a few drops with fingertips on your face. Allow primer to set before applying makeup. Can also be worn over your makeup for a refreshed look. Oh, so this is probably really good for dry skin too. You know what I mean? Like, that's good. Like if you have dry spots and stuff. Okay. All right, so that's weird. It's not even filled up to the top. Look at it. It's like can you see? It's like 3/4 filled. It's a little weird. All right, so let's do a couple drops just to see. It says oily to matte. So it's oily. Can you see? Let me see. Oh. Oh. Look at that. I mean, it's still like, you know, but it's not oil. That's weird. Like, can you see that? Like when I look at my hand, all right, let me put that on my hand. This is something like, it's like a science, project. You know what I mean? Like figuring it out. Okay. So you see the oil. I put the oil on. Look, I'm rubbing it in. Now I might've put too much on because I already have it on my hands, but look. I actually like that. I understand. Do you see? Like it just looks refreshed. Doesn't look oily in person. Does not. I have the lights on, so it reflects. So it looks more shinier than what it does in person. But I definitely can understand this would be really good for somebody with dry skin that won't make your face look greasy. Wow. And how much was it? $16. That's not bad. All right. And now I understand why, like also, you can also just use it if you have dry skin, if you don't want to use makeup or anything. Okay, I'm really excited about this. I was making fun of it, but I'm excited about that. Okay, the next thing is this puppy right here. What you be? It says stay in line, crown. Oh, so it's a lip liner pencil in the shade. I was going to say Jason Wu. No, Ann. What does it say? I guess you get two of them. One is in Royal and one is in Paris and Chic. I don't know which is which. Let's see. So you get two of them. I love lip liners. So one is a mauve nude and one is a nude. Okay. One says 6 and the other one says 7. I don't see. Okay, let's see. Let's open her up. Maybe it's on the inside. Okay, so this is in Royal. And usually makeup artists and different things have it where you can sharpen it. That way, it's more sanitary that way, you know? Oh, that's really pretty. Ooh, that's gorgeous. That's in mauve nude. That is right up my alley. I'm happy to get this. Okay, and then this one should be like a nudie shade, it says. Let's see. I don't know what nude would be on the lips. Okay, and this is where, right here. I like that they have it, the colors, so that way, you know, you can see which one you're picking up. Okay. Okay, there we go. That's gorgeous too. Now, the reason why you have lip liners because you get 2 lipsticks, and we're not done. So that's amazing. The lip liners I said were $10. The lipsticks are $12 a piece. I love bullet lipsticks. I'm so happy these are bullet lipsticks. All right, and so this is what the packaging looks like. Look at that. Ew, that's gorgeous. Let me see what shade this is. This is in Jelly Roll. Jelly Roll is a mulberry violet color. Oh, that is gorgeous. Ooh, nice and creamy. And I love it. See how that has like that point right there? It's so good to help you like line your lips that way. Okay, and then this one is in Matte Agave. It doesn't like give like a description of this one. Like I said, I like the packaging, you know, and you can see what color, you know? That's pretty cool. Yeah, see, it almost matches perfectly with here. So you ever have, like, if you have your lipsticks out or if you have it in the drawer, you can see what color it is, you know? Put this here. Ooh. Okay, so this one goes with that lip liner, and this one, I guess, would go with that one. Or, you know, however. It's really nice. Okay. So we have that. 2 more things. The next thing is an eyeshadow palette. And this is only $15. Like, these prices are very reasonable. Okay, so I messed up. These are called Hot Fluff lipsticks and Jelly Roll. And they have, of course, the different, one is an Eclair. So this is Eclair. And this is Jelly Roll, okay? This is the Flora 9 Matte Agave. This is the eyeshadow palette. All right, so there's the color. So it's neutral. And there we go. Let's swatch a few. Oh, they feel nice. All right, so there we go. Let's see. Wow, look at those 3 colors. That is very pigmented. That's only going in 1 time. And this is only $15. Look, you still got it on my finger. I can't wait to try that. Like, I'm excited for this brand to try it, you know? And last but not least, I don't know how I feel about this for myself. This is called Save by the Patch. This is a pimple, like they're pimple patches. And this would be $12. So let's open her up. Now this I'll give to my son, my youngest. He's 17 and he's starting to get like, you know, like around his forehead, right here. So I'll give this to him. And there you go. You get some patches and you just open up. They're like little circles and you put them on your pimples and there you go. So you get 36 patches. So I guess there's 12 in each. Okay. I don't want to open it up to show you exactly what it looks like since I'm giving it to my son, you know. All right, so let's recap everything that we got in the box. So we got the pimple patches. We have the eyeshadow palettes. We have 2 lipsticks and 2 lip liners. I am so glad to get lip liners instead of eyeliners. I don't know if he even has eyeliners, but I am so happy for that. This, I'm so intrigued. Like, I was making fun of it. Now, like I said, it's not filled all the way to the top. But I'm like, mattifying face oil, that's exactly what it is. I am really excited about this. Like, really excited. And then we got the brow soap, brow, whatever it's called. We have that. So, let me add up all the prices and see. I'm dropping stuff. And see how much everything comes to. Okay, so I'm getting a total of $101, and it does say you're guaranteed to get at least $100. Yeah, I really like this box. I'm really surprised. And like I said, I like the fact that, like, I never heard of this person. So that's why I do like beauty boxes, because you get to try brands, makeup, you know, skincare that I otherwise would never heard of. And I might find some holy grails. You never know. You know what I'm saying? But let me know what you think. Do you get the AIA beauty box? Do you not? And what do you think about this? Have you ever heard of Jason Wu? Let me know down below what your thoughts are. Would you pay $35? Do you think this is worth $35? All right, guys, and that is everything. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. All right, Jason Wu. I am quite impressed. I really am. I mean, it's beautiful. Like, everything goes together. This is probably one of my favorite months. All right. All right, AIA Beauty Bundle. I see you. I see